And this is a Marantz SR-18. As usual, we have a blown amplifier channel. These models are really pretty difficult to work on. And of course there will be output transistors blown, driver transistors, numerous small resistors, and this 0.1 ohm dual emitter resistor is bad as well. Okay, and this is that amp stack out of that Marantz SR-18. I did replace these two output transistors, several small resistors, and practically every semiconductor on that amp channel, these drivers, smaller transistors, as I say, a bunch of smaller resistors. I didn't film that part, but trust me, it was boring and tedious. Okay, well, I'm not sure how much of this will ever make it onto YouTube, but I believe I have repaired the amp channel successfully, but the receiver still would not function. You turn it on and you could hear a little relay hammering in there somewhere, and with additional troubleshooting and so forth, it appears I may have a bad 6-volt regulator IC clear back in under here. So we're going to give that a try, and we'll see. It's going to take an awful lot of disassembly just to get to that and replace it, but we'll let you know. Okay, and now as you can see, we've got some of the boards up out of the way, and I've removed that 6-volt regulator down in here. Gosh, I sure hope it fixes it. Okay, and here's the rest of the story on that Marantz SR-18 receiver. I got it back together after repairing the blown amplifier channel. I could hear a relay chattering in there and no power. There was a problem with the reset line that was keyed off of a 78, or rather a NJM 7806 regulator IC, the output of which was about 1 volt low. I had that original part. I replaced it. Now it was dead as a doornail. It turned out the brand new 7806 I put in there, its output was about 0.6 low. Corrected that problem, got it up to 6 volts on the output, and the receiver's fixed. Unfortunately, it also has a bad backup capacitor for the microprocessor functions. That's not unusual on a 10-year-old receiver. I'll need to order that. It's kind of special. But at this point, the receiver's fixed. This has been a repair brief by the Multimeter Junkie. Thanks a lot.